and responsibilities of baking technician. Let us now take a look at the roles and responsibilities of baking technician. Handle raw materials from post-harvest storage to the process line. Check raw material for quality. Ensure the ingredients are sound and free from dirt, debris, foreign matter, glass, and insects. Ensure minimum loss of raw materials. Record keeping and documentation. Document and maintain records of raw materials, production schedule, and process. Finished products. Maintenance of hygiene and sanitation. Adopt safety and sanitation related measures. Follows food safety norms and practices. Inspect machines and troubleshoot issues. Ensure smooth operation of machinery to complete production line. Optimize the use of machinery. Attend to minor repairs of tools and machinery when required. Ensure that safety rules and regulations are observed. Prevent accidents. Plan and execute baking process. Examine products at different stages of baking. Adhere to good manufacturing practice, GMP. Ensure the products meet the quality standards set by the organization. Inspect immediate as well as finished products. Ensure conformance of quality as per organizational standards. Follow storage and packaging norms. Ensure safety and proper storage of raw material, packing material, and finished goods. Let us now summarize the roles and responsibilities of baking technician.